What's the meaning of bleating? Bleating. Bleeding.
Bleating. Bleating. Bleating is a verb that refers to the sound made by a sheep or goat. It is a distinct vocalization produced by the animals, characterized by a high-pitched and wavering tone. The term can also be used figuratively to describe someone who is complaining or whining incessantly, akin to the repetitive and monotonous nature of a sheep's bleat. In this context, bleating suggests a lack of originality and a tendency to follow others blindly. It may also connote a sense of annoyance or irritation on the part of the listener, as the complaining can become overwhelming and tiresome.